Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can download your favorite movies or series on Netflix. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up the Netflix website or the Netflix application. Now once the home page of Netflix opens up on your screen, select a movie or series you want to be downloaded. For example, let's say I want to download this Don't Look Up movie on my computer. Now, all I'll have to do is click on this details option of the movie. Once I click on the details option of the movie, the information about the movie and other suggested movies and series will appear on your screen. Now, on this screen, as you can see, on the right hand side of the rate option, you'll see the download option. All you will have to do to download this movie is simply click on this option. Once the movie is completely downloaded on your device, you'll be able to view the movie offline wherever and whenever. I hope this video helped you to download your favorite movies and series on Netflix. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.